Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video, finally. Sorry it's taken me so long to post more videos, but the 168 subscribers, you guys are awesome. You may have noticed that I changed the name to this channel like a million years ago, Handytech, but I do plan to make more videos about tech and focus more on that. I still will make, random videos about working out, family stuff, drone stuff, but that's all, I use a lot of tech in the, while I work out or while I'm flying a drone, that's tech. So we're going to be doing more stuff about that. I just got my IT support specialist license from Google. I got it on Coursera. I do plan to get my A+ certification as well. And anyway, it's really helped me, with work. I'm an online ESL teacher, so I have to troubleshoot on the fly and perform at a high level when I'm teaching students. And so as you can see, I'm using some software that I purchased, and it's allowing me to change the background and everything. It's not perfect by any means of the imagination. I mean, I couldn't use this for like CNN or something, but it's still pretty good. And I should put a light on, another one. Anyway, so far it's not too jittery, the green screen, but we're going to be talking about that, and I'm going to make excuse me, I'm going to make content that's going to help online ESL teachers too, and I'll continue to make English lesson videos. So if you already speak English, you probably don't need to check those videos out or anything. But if you want to, use it for content in the classroom, that's great. What else? So like I said, I'm getting my A+ certification soon, but first I have to pass my Italian driver's license. That's just such a headache. So if you move over to another country and you make that your permanent residence, eventually, usually like a year, you have to pass the driving test, and like both the written and the driving part. It's crazy, yeah, because Italy and America, yeah, they don't have a diplomatic package where you can just convert your driving license, even though the British can, and they drive on the wrong side of the road. But anyway, lascia stare, as we say in Italian. So, but once I pass that, I'm going to work on my A+ certification. I found a test-taking facility here in Italy where I can take it in English. And after that, I'm going to be working on getting my commercial drone license, which the Part 107 in the US and ENAC in Italy. So and I'm going to document it and vlog it as much as I can when I get to that point. But before we do that, this summer I was able to get my hands on a lot of different gadgets, and I did film them, I just didn't upload them. So I'm going to take some clips now and attach it to this little intro to the channel, and those will be little, like I said, little introductions to some videos that are coming up. So I have, let's see here. Yeah, so we went on a boat trip, and I was testing the DJI Pocket 1. I got it like super cheap, like $100. The guy didn't want it anymore, and it wasn't scratched or anything. I cleaned and repaired my laptop. The fan, one of the fans in it, stopped working. Normally, a laptop only has like one fan, but this HP Pavilion has two. And then I enhanced my Wi-Fi, and we're going to be talking about that in a future video, like I said. But I'm just super excited about that because I've been working on it for so long. I've tried extenders, repeaters, everything, and it wasn't working out. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any ideas for future videos for me, that's great. I can use your ideas. But if you have any questions about living in Italy, for example, and you know, how to work here, you know, little things like that, I'll try to get back to you, because I don't know if the comments go directly to my email or not. But that's the other thing. I want to get an email for this channel page, Handytech something. So if there's any business inquiries out there, any reviews, for example, I want to get sponsored by like Norelco or Philips or something like that for shaving beards or shaving heads or shaving your body too. I thought it would be funny to like test it and like say, oh yes, this is shaving good. So you shave one part of your chest and then the other one, you know, shit like that. Yeah. So, is there anything else? No. So here are a few clips. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.
Stay away. Ow. What are you laughing at?
Anyway, today we're going to be looking at the TP-Link. Here's the box. The TP-Link Deco E4. There's a few different versions of this too, and you'll see when you start, you know, connecting those devices. And I am experimenting with the mesh network. I've heard great things. I've used repeaters and extenders for a while now, and they work, but I'm not getting the download and upload speeds that I get downstairs.
All right, it's connected to Planetel extender. All right, so it's about 12 download, almost 13, 12.59. Okay, and so the upload here is pretty decent, 10. Yeah, 11. 12. 13. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good for up here. Okay. My wireless N. So let's get it connected to that. Okay. Before it wasn't doing too good. All right, let's see here. Gonna get better. Yeah, that's pathetic. I'll get on that. So let's do this live again. Okay. So no one's in the house right now, connected. So that's my speed, which is quite good for me. I'm used to like 12 and 12 upload. Yeah. That's with nobody in the house. But I think if I have one more in the hallway, that should help.